Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn how to stop a running Docker container. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. You can use the Docker stop command. Okay, you will need to find the container ID or the name associated with your running Docker container. You can do this by running the following the command, that is docker ps. Let's go and check this one. So let me go and just first stop this one. So first of all, I need to find the docker ps, the running one. So here you can see that the running one is this id. So I get the id. Let's copy this id, and after this will display the list of the running containers along with their container ids, names and other information. Once you have identified the container you want to stop, you can use the following command, docker stop container id or the name. So let's add the docker stop. So sudo docker stop. So this is currently running, right? If I go and just open this link, you can see that this is running, right? So let's stop this. So here we have 99, just I will write 995, not the full fledged. I will just add the three letters. You can add the full fledged also, and like this also you can run, and let's enter this. Okay, stop command is missing, so let me add the stop command also. So here you can see, and in here you can see after this it will automatically stop this. You can see stop, and that means this is working fine, and here you can see this is not working, right? So this is how you can stop running container. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.